So this is how I cleaned this plastic intake manifold. You have to be quite careful with them because they're not as strong as your old type aluminium or similar. So what I did was I used some degreaser initially, and I used a brush and a cloth, and I got out as much of the gunk as I could. I'll show you what it looks like now in the bucket. So I got all of this out from the manifold. So basically what you want to do is you want to try and clean up this intake manifold as much as you can. Remove all the debris and the soot and everything from inside. Then you can dilute your degreaser so you don't eat away your plastic or similar. Dilute it with a bit of hot water and let it sit in there for some time. So after letting it sit for a little while, I used hot water again and flushed everything out. So that gets out most of the stuff, but you'll still have, like for example, this is where the charge pipe goes into, and it's very difficult to try and clean up this area here. So what I did next was I got my water blaster, and not on a high pressure though, but just adequate, so just to simulate airflow. Got that situated here, and I blasted it, and all the gunk and everything came out. So this is the result. It's quite clean and tidy on each of the runners before this whole thing was gunked up. So that's the water blaster. Just any old water blaster will be fine, but you want to make sure that you don't go crazy on the pressure. You just want to do it adequately, just to remove all the stuck gunk and the debris inside in the areas where you can't reach. So yeah, that's my little tip for anyone wanting to clean up these manifolds at home.